English Elm, ulmus procera. English elm is a hardwood mainly found in England and Wales. Mature trees can reach a height of about 37 metres with a breast height diameter of about 1.5 metres. Its timber is cross-grained with a coarse texture. The heartwood is dull reddish brown and the sapwood is distinctly paler. The bark is dark brown with deep fissures making small square plates. There's a straight bole rising at least halfway into the crown. Sparse, large, rising limbs split quickly into thick domes of short shoots. Leaves are ovate to orbicular and varying in size with position along the shoot. They open in April and remain dark green until November. They then turn pale yellow gold and remain until December. They are short-pointed, double-toothed and frequently curled or puckered. Dark red flowers are plentiful in late February. Wood has low bending and crushing strength, very low stiffness and impact resistance. It tends to distort when steam bent, dries quickly but distorts. It has moderate dimensional stability. It's not durable and liable to insect attack, and its specific gravity averages 0.55. It's not easy to work with hand or machine tools due to the cross-grain nature. Tools need to be sharp and the wood has a moderate blunting effect. It chops and bores okay, nails and screws well without splitting, glues well, stains well, and polishes or waxes to a great finish. Its uses include flooring, boat building, cabinetry and chairs, especially seats for stick chairs and stools, coffee making, gym equipment, turnery, decorative veneers and weatherboarding. It's neither CITES listed or appearing on the IUCN Red List. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.